We're fine. Everybody's ready?
It's either 9 or 8. 6 dogs, 9 vehicles, and 17 vehicles.
Straight at the line.
That was straight at the Y?
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Flowing.
A left turn coming up.
And
Left turn coming up.
it's really funny to talk to somebody who like is not a native English speaker. Having a tough
Right turn coming up.
gate closed.
Right turn coming up.
Gates closed.
Please close it.
I was saying, does anybody want to air down, or we just want to see how it goes?
Oh, I know. In the back. Silly pups.
I guess that's.
Oh my
I guess we'll see how it goes.
Getting that back closed.
No, let's see if anybody wanted to air down. Yeah.
We drove home that day.
Right?
Back.
Alright, we're all bolted back together and moving.
That poor thing.
See?
Gonna be a left turn at the T.
Left turn at T.
We're fine.
Gosh, this is this one. It is. I know this. This one specifically. That one is. Yeah, right. I'm not used to and it's like, great, I'm just gonna meet more people. This is stupid. We're just gonna meet more people that I'm gonna want to die. Great.
Well,
So everybody are extremely high. You know, you might get a good 50-50 split.
I know. There's a Y down here if you want to stay left. That's why I like this road. I think it's a fun road. There's so much unexpected out here.
I want to try. Like, you don't have to put the cost of manufacturing in this
right turn coming up right at the end of the berm on the right hand side.
Right at the end of the berm.
Oh, you can see it if you know what it is.
Oh, yeah. If you know what you're looking for, I don't trust
Saying I'm going to stop here. There's an old hole that they blasted through for a waterway here. Come on, dog. Hey, buddy. Big old nest in here.
leashes.
Yeah.
Wow.
What's that?
The leashes. They're fine now.
Yeah.
Went to California, went to LA, and then drove up to
Damn situation. You can see the dam right there.
Twix bars. Whoa. We're special today. Are you a right side Twix or a left side Twix person, guy?
Right at the Y, and everybody is moving.
Except for one thing. What's that?
Super sad week. Watching them and then another channel that's called Vegetable Academy. Really beautiful house. But it's like a manufactured home on a lot, and the lot rent was almost $700 a month.
Right?
Beautiful house. But we don't have
Property with the house on it already. You could always do a inspection.
at the end of the canyon there, that, you know, stream comes running out there and there's fish in it. And go slow and go. Don't dedicate on anything unless you know it.
I've actually been here another time.
Low battery already?
Tongue and lap, that's what it is.
Look at you dogs. Everybody getting along now? Right at the Y.
Right at the Y.
But they are very functional. They're nice and they're warm. Get him, then he'll like start biting their tail feathers and stuff.
The water kind of runs through the rocks in places. And we're coming good back out. Yep.
This is weird that I remember doing this the last time. Because it seems to me there's a geocache up in that.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
We looked for it. I don't think we found it.